Where is the 2022 Toyota RAV4 fuse box located, and what does the diagram reveal? It pinpoints exact fuse box locations and illustrates their specific roles for vehicle systems. Passenger compartment fuse box. The 2022 Toyota RAV4 passenger compartment fuse box manages interior electronics like lights, power windows, and audio. It provides easy access for quick fuse checks and replacements. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2022 Toyota RAV4 controls vital systems like the engine, headlights, and cooling fans. It ensures power distribution and protects critical components. Luggage compartment fuse box. The luggage compartment fuse box in the 2022 Toyota RAV4 powers rear systems like the tailgate, interior lights, and accessory outlets. It safeguards and manages rear electrical functions. Relay fuse box. The relay fuse box in the 2022 Toyota RAV4 manages high-power circuits like the fuel pump and cooling fans. It ensures the reliable operation of key electrical components.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle. Locate the fuse box. Identify the faulty fuse. Remove the faulty fuse. Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on 2023 Ford Maverick fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.